Hey, hello and welcome, guys. This is Digital TV Geek, and this is the Digital TV Source YouTube channel, as you see. I apologize, guys. I've been away for quite some time. I've been doing a lot of stuff behind the scenes. There's been a lot of stuff going on within the digital streaming community, from Cody to IBT servers being shut down, and developers jumping ship, and lawsuits, and oh guys, it's been a crazy time, and former partners not working together, and putting hands on each other and so forth and so on. But I'm not here for all the gossip and what have you. I'm just letting you know what's going on with Digital TV Source. Um, I want to thank all the new subscribers that's been slowly but surely coming to the channel, and leaving some great comments and commentary about the content I've been delivering, and questions about content I've been delivering. I love it, guys. Keep it up. As you see right now, about 398 subscribers. Yes, slowly working my way there, but once I get to 500 subscriber, guys, I would like to do a giveaway. I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do. Um, may give out a Fire Stick, a Android box, maybe a free sub in a box, Amazon card. I don't know what's up yet. If you like, you can leave commentary what you like to see as a giveaway for that 500 subscribers. Us reaching that milestone. But again, I'm just letting this put this video out to let you know haven't abandoned anybody out there. Just doing a lot of stuff behind the scenes. But in the meantime, between time, look at the stuff I have out. I put out already. Take a look over. If you have any more questions about it, please leave some commentary, whatever. In the meantime, but let me know to let you know what I have going on coming up is. I plan on introducing, doing a lot more of IPT services and APK, so forth. I'm really, be honest with you, I'm really just not into Kodi like I was when I first came into this thing, and it's just been really crazy. I really don't even mess with the builds and the add-ons and so forth. It's just been just an influx of a lot of up and down and so forth with it. So I'm I'm just a guy that just likes one click and play right about now, and I pretty much get that from a lot of the APKs, except for Terrarium TV, which is pretty much my main go-to for the most part. But I'm just going to stay in my lane and stick to what I like, and what I like and what I think you guys may like is I'm going to stay in my lane with doing a lot of APKs and IPT services, reviews and quick views and so forth. So that avenue, I'm gonna pretty much stick with that. When I do the builds, reviews, and add-ons, I really don't get too much feedback from it. So I'm going to stay in my lane. It's a lot of hard work goes in behind making these videos. At least for me, it does. I'm a newcomer. I'm just a one-man team, so I don't have too much time to put together content and edit and get it out there to you and all that stuff. So it takes time for me to do it. So I like to do it when I have the free time. And right now, I have too much free time. Let you know what's going on. I'm doing a lot of personal work that's taking a lot of my time. Family time is taking a lot of my time. Which is family's all about. Also, again, working on starting my own IBT service and so forth, and reselling and rebranding and stuff of that nature. So I'm delving into that, and that's doing a lot of research, and which is the best fit for me and what I like, what I feel as you guys would like as well. So look out for that coming up the next few months. But hope everybody's doing fine. They're enjoying the holidays and Father's Day. Happy belated Father's Day or fathers out there. It's been a while, I guess, for me. It's been almost a month. But I haven't left y'all. I haven't abandoned y'all. I'll be back. I'll be back shortly with some new stuff. Please leave some commentary in this video, what you like to see. And again, I'm going to stay in my lane with doing a lot of APKs, IBT services, stuff of that nature. See what you guys like and don't like. which I think you will like, excuse me, get that kind of content out to you. Um, yeah, that's about it. But again, be on the lookout. Once we hit that milestone of 500 subscribers, I do want to give out a giveaway of some sorts. Again, I'm not quite sure. I don't know, from an Amazon gift card to a free sub or a box. I don't know. Fire stick. I really don't know at this time. I'm in my head with that. So leave some commentary in this video. Let me know what you would like to, for that 500 subscriber giveaway. And I'll be back shortly with something to keep you appeased until I make my triumphant return back to you guys. But I appreciate the love, guys. Keep on keeping on. And don't forget, keep on loving each other, guys. And happy streaming. See you guys soon, all right? Later.